To set up contactless payments on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to download an app for payments, or if you prefer to use Samsung Pay, you can already skip to the payment setup portion of this video. But in this case, I'm gonna download an app called Google Wallet, or Google Pay previously. But right now it's called Google Wallet, so we just need to find it right here and then we can install it. But of course you can go for any app that you like which supports payments. Now when you have this app, open your settings, go to the connections, click on NFC and contactless payments, and make sure that your NFC is active whenever you want to pay. You can go for default wallet app and select the app that you've downloaded. In this case we chose a Google Wallet, and then we need to open this app to perform a payment setup. So in this case we're gonna go for the Google Wallet that we just downloaded. For some reason it will be called Google Pay for the first few seconds, but after that we can just open a wallet. And now select this plus button and then go for a payment card. Now you will need to fill up information about your card, either by scanning it with your camera that shows a camera feed right here, or you can enter your details manually, and then when your card is added and your NFC is active, you can close up your phone to the terminal to pay. And you can also make it easier for paying if you add NFC icon right here. To do it, you will need to click on this pen button. Now I'm gonna remove it right now just quickly just to show you how to add it. Select add control and then look for NFC. Then after clicking on it, you can hold it and drag it up to this area, select done, and then you can find the icon like I had it right here and turn it on and off quickly. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.